It's kind of freaking me out. It's almost like they're looking for somebody, but I can't tell. Like, I heard it when I first started the stream for Pokemon, and then, like, I kept hearing it, and I'm like, what the hell is happening? And then I looked outside, and that's what I saw. And when I was freaking out before, it was, like, stopped right up there. And it was, like, almost like it was, like, looking at me through my window. I don't know what it could be. I'm probably going to go back to Pokemon in a couple minutes. I just want to see if anything changes here. I swear, weird shit happens around here. I should have streamed that time that guy cut his hand off in my old apartment next door. Oh, he like had like a mental breakdown or some shit, and it was like at 3 in the morning. He cut his hand off, and he like shoved a bunch of pillows into his oven and started it on fire. And then like the alarm went off, and the sprinklers went off, and it flooded my apartment, and it flooded his apartment. It was crazy. Like, what is happening around here? What really freaked me out though was when I first look, it's fucking stopped again. When I first looked out my window when I was streaming Pokemon, which is right here, this is my window, it stopped right there, and it was just like staring at me. I'm like, what the fuck, yo? But I couldn't get my webcam closer. Shit. Totally weird. I'm putting this on YouTube. Ha ha ha. Here it comes again. It doesn't look like it's like searching for anything though. You'd think it would have like its spotlight on if it was doing that, right? Unless they're using some sort of like infrared or some shit. Well, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go back to Pokemon in a minute. Because it's not stopping anymore. It's just circling. If anything else crazy happens, I'll try to get it on video. Going back to Pokemon.